What is going on, everyone? We are back April 21st for another trade recap. Two break evens today, two unfortunate trades, and unfortunately, the move happened after we went off. But let's get into it. This video is going to be a bit slowed down, more just in the moment, go over price action, what I seen, what my thoughts were, and just really releasing all the pressure on me because I kept stuttering last video. So let's get into it. All right. Coming into market open, I hope you can see this. Fingers crossed. Let me just move this down here. Coming into market open, 929 right here. I'm looking at all-time highs, like all-time highs to be taken. NWOG to be filled. Just overall screams bullish. Don't want anything else. Yeah, pretty much that's all. Like NWOG was filled. I want all-time highs. Boom, we're going up. It's that simple. That simple. Honestly, I just wanted bullish. I didn't like bearish at all. Coming into it though, we did have some draws lower. Of course, we had Asia low, which is down here somewhere. Asia low right there. Like technically this is London low, but I like to use London low a bit later. Overall, like this is bearish price action, but I'm just looking for higher. I'm looking for a retrace lower, 50%, and then we go higher. We just don't get it. I'm looking for a 50% retrace and then just a move higher. And unfortunately, we just don't get it. So let's get into the day, okay? Right here, actually, first and foremost, let's mark out our 50%, okay? So I'm looking for 50% of this whole range because, well, this little range here anyways. 50% of right here. I want price to at least come down to here, or if we're looking at a smaller time frame, we go down to the 5 minute, at least a 50% of this range, which we did, okay, like 50% of that is obviously taken. But on the 1 minute, super simple, like we just had good draws. Boom, 9:30 open. This is now my new draw. Like I want 9:30 wick. I always want 9:30 wick. Swept London, swept Asia. We had SMT. I wanted us to go higher. We just kept falling. I'm pretty sure this was a 5 minute gap. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. So we had a 5 minute gap, and we also had a sweep inside this 5 minute gap right here. This is typically a good place for us to bounce. Sweep inside gaps are really, really strong. 5 minute sweep. Boom. I'm looking for us to go higher. I was eyeballing this 1 minute for so long, like just staring at this. And then we just chopped for ages. By the time we actually came up to this 1 minute, it was then a 5 minute. And ideally, I know so many people took this on the 1 minute. I know, like I did have a strong bias, but like the 5 minute just didn't close. Did it? Yeah. So like the 5 minute didn't close just yet. By the time it did, that's my break even gone. I know so many people entered here on the 1 minute and they would have got probably filled. I said I got 1 hour, but for me personally, the 5 minute was my entry. I wanted the 5 minute to go higher. My break even was gone. Didn't like it. If I was going long, I'd be waiting on this 5 minute and then targeting all-time highs. And as you can see, it just didn't really happen, to be honest. Like there was nothing too major going on. It's just, there we go. Eventually we did close, but I think we tapped this. This was my break even right here. We didn't actually tap it. Could have been a good long. I don't think I like this rejection candle or whatever. Oh yeah, there we go. That's why. That's exactly why I didn't enter. Boom, would have been break even anyways, and then we just fell. I do have a hard stop at half 10 US time, so right here I was done for the day. Unfortunately, I didn't get, you know, anything major. It was just an unfortunate day, and the play of the day was by far, million shadow of a doubt. I actually entered this 1 minute. I don't know why I forgot to say that. Entered this 1 minute right here. Boom, targeting the lows, really, to be honest. I went break even. There was a 3 minute gap. Went break even right here. So if we delete this, I went break even right here and got tapped out on the 1 minute. It came down, hit it perfectly, and tapped me out, and then just dropped. So yeah, I entered here, came down, came back up, came back down. It was just unfortunate. Actually, would I have got 1 hour? Yeah, I would have got 1 hour on this shred. Boom, would have been hit. Full TP. I just got break even. It was unfortunate, to be honest. And then the play of the day was down here. See this 1 minute gap that we left at just before 10? Right here. Boom, boom. Good continuation play. Came back up. Coming lower. Clear break even right here. I'm not sure if there was SMTs. I was off. I would have just targeted 1 hour from right here, to be honest. Stopped at these high. 1 hour right there. Bang. You could have trailed. Like, as soon as I hit these lows, I'd be trailing. Like, I'd expect price to go lower. You know what I mean? Price should go lower here. You would have hit, I think it was like over 2 hour. Yeah, it definitely was, yeah. Like, yeah, you would have been stopped out here. 1.8 or if you were trailing. And then, yeah, that's me done for the day. So, not much going on in my side of things. Break even on the eval, break even on the funded. Nothing crazy, not taking super heavy risk trades because of the scenario of the price action. It is absolutely crap. But if you took a trade, let me know in the comments. If you've lost, won, let me know. Send screenshots. I love to see what you are taking in the trades. And yeah, we will be back tomorrow for another trade recap. And hopefully we get a W. See you tomorrow.